Welcome to the newest multifamily listing in Ocean Beach, located at 4862 to 72 West Point Loma Boulevard. This well-located and cared-for property is made up of 4 2-bedroom and 2 1-bedroom units. It has a resident courtyard area, resident garages and storage areas, and on-site laundry. It also has direct access to Ocean Beach's Robb Field. Robb Field is a huge complex with softball fields, soccer fields, basketball courts, tennis courts, and a skate park. Most importantly, residents are just a few blocks away to shopping, the ocean, and its white sandy beaches. And in case you didn't know, Ocean Beach is now home to many popular San Diego restaurants for both casual and more upscale dining. And of course, residents are a short drive or bike ride to San Diego's beautiful Sunset Cliffs area. The property is a 3 to 5 minute drive to San Diego's famous SeaWorld theme park and world famous Mission Bay, and an 8 to 10 minute drive to major shopping malls and major national retailers in San Diego's Mission Valley. Remember, when you buy real estate, it's location, location, location.